Good morning, dear students. Now, from today, we are going to begin with our evaluation 2 portion. As I told you, your evaluation 1 exam is still due. So, you are going to prepare for your evaluation 1 exam. But as that exam is going to take 1 complete month to cover all the parameters, from 15th of the September to 15th of the October. So we have to begin with our evaluation 2 portion from this time. And what we are going to do is, because afterwards we might get less time for our evaluation 2 exams, so we have to cover that portion. So we are beginning with evaluation 2 part. But what is there to be noted is that these chapters are not coming for your evaluation 1 exam. So you are going to prepare the syllabus of evaluation 1 only for your exams. Okay? So today I am starting with the first chapter of your evaluation 2 exam, and that is this chapter, a treat for mosquitoes. Standard 5 EVS. So here is the one about which we are going to study about in this chapter. Hope you are able to identify this insect. Yes, it is a mosquito. And its stomach is so red, no? That means it has taken its food, taken its treat. Treat we say, no? What is that treat? For the mosquito, it is the blood of the human being. So it is having that as its food. And how we are going to treat these mosquitoes, this also we are going to learn in this chapter. What should be our way of handling these mosquitoes? What should be our steps of avoiding the diseases caused by them? Okay, what all is around these mosquitoes related to us as human beings? All those things we are going to study in this chapter. So lot of new things will come, and hope you all are going to enjoy the chapter. So first of all, here we have the types of mosquitoes. See, here we have the 4 types of the mosquitoes: Culex mosquito, Aedes mosquito, Anopheles mosquito, Chikungunya mosquito. Okay? Just look at this picture for some time and try to relate to the diseases it is causing in the human beings. Yes, you are able to guess the diseases caused by these mosquitoes. Now we have to see the life cycle of mosquito. Then only we will be able to understand the diseases caused by them. So here is the life cycle of the mosquito. Later on, children, you will be asked to draw this life cycle in your notebook, but not now. Okay? Whenever the question answers in the form of the PDF will be uploaded on the portal, at that time you will see those diagrams, pictures, and you will note down in your notebooks. Here is the adult mosquito. It is laying the eggs. The eggs, when they hatch, they convert into larvae. Single is called larvae larvae, and many are called as the larva. You can see that the surface of water is there, no? Blue color surface, this water, and the larva is little bending down. It is not horizontal. On the surface of this water, there is the mouth of the larva. That means it is breathing air from the surface of the water. Okay, and the body is inside the water. This larva is then converted into pupa. The next stage is the pupa, and then this pupa after some time is becoming the adult mosquito. You can see the pupa is also having its breathing organ on the surface of the water. It is near the surface of the water only. That means we know that the eggs are laid in the water, but these larvae and pupa, they are not below the surface of the water. That means it is not inside the water, but its body is attached to the surface of the water so that it can breathe air from outside the water. This is to be kept in mind. This is some important thing which later we will discuss on this. Then we have our next slide of female Anopheles mosquito, and it is sucking blood. Excuse me. The female Anopheles mosquito is sucking blood. And this is how malaria is spread. Female Anopheles is a carrier of malarial parasite. When mosquito sucks blood, it leaves the malarial parasite into the blood through its saliva. So this is the main thing which I am going to discuss today. It is that only the female Anopheles mosquito is the carrier. What does this mean? That there is one variety of the mosquito its name is Anopheles. Okay. Earlier I showed you 4 varieties: Culex, Anopheles, Aedes, Chikungunya mosquito. So among them the one was the Anopheles. But out of the Anopheles, the female one, okay, we are not talking about the male one. So only the female Anopheles mosquito is carrying the malarial parasite. Malarial parasite means the parasite which is going to cause malaria in the human being. So in the stomach of this mosquito is the malarial parasite. This malarial parasite can survive, is alive in the female Anopheles mosquito's stomach only. Okay, this much is clear. So what happens when mosquito sucks blood? It leaves the malarial parasite into the blood through its saliva. When this mosquito is going to bite a human body, so what will happen? From the stomach of this female Anopheles, that malarial parasite comes, mixes into the saliva of the mosquito, and that saliva enters the human body when it is piercing the skin. Okay, so from that saliva this malarial parasite gets injected inside the human body and thereby starts spreading the disease. That means that disease is being entered into the fresh human being who is not having the malaria, a healthy person. So this is how the malaria is spread. There are many mosquitoes, children, who bite a human body or who bites the human being, but malaria will be caused only if female Anopheles mosquito is biting and that too, that female Anopheles mosquito is having the malarial parasite in its stomach. In that case only the malaria is caused in the human body. Okay? So, what causes breed mosquito? This we are going to study in our next video. For today, we have learned that what is the cause of the malaria. Fine? That is, the female Anopheles mosquito is the carrier and the disease causing agent is the malarial parasite. So, this female Anopheles is carrier and the disease causing agent, and that the protozoan or the thing which microorganism I should say, because this word will be more easier for you to understand. The microorganism which causes malaria is the malarial parasite. Okay. So this is all for today. Bye bye.